what the word connection might mean to you.
It's just about missing coming together and actually being in the same space, and lots of things happen when you put people in the same physical space.
In a way, our shared expertise as curious beings was a much easier way of communicating.
I worked in retail, and if I was surrounded by people who were in visual merchandising or marketing, they had their own jargon.
Explaining concepts to children is the real way of telling if you're an expert. It's the basic language to get to the point.
But the question is, what can you see something beyond the language to some extent? Because whenever you create meaning, you create it within a schema of understanding.
Those connections cannot be made unless there's human relationships. You know, we work with different business functions within the university, and often at times there's a lot of disagreement, there's a lot of misunderstandings.
Disconnection is my connection to something artistic. I need that disconnection.
I think that's something that, for example, when we communicate with the outside world, especially coming from a university perspective, is how do we make people curious?